In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore DNS records in Cloudflare. This process is essential for anyone managing a website, as it helps ensure you have a secure copy of your DNS settings that you can restore if needed. It can save you a lot of trouble, especially if something unexpected happens to your DNS configuration, or if you need to move your domain's settings. So, let's get started on this step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to head over to the Cloudflare website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Cloudflare's website address. Once you've arrived at the homepage, go ahead and log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but I'll assume you're ready to go. When logging in, you can click on Continue with Google if you prefer using your Google account credentials, which makes the process a bit quicker and eliminates the need to remember yet another password. After clicking through, you should see a list of your domains on the dashboard. If you've multiple domains, choose the one you want to backup or restore DNS records for. To do this, simply click on the domain name. Next, you'll be directed to the domain settings page where you'll find several tabs. But for now, we are going to focus on the DNS tab. Click on the DNS tab to bring up the DNS records associated with your domain. This section lists all your current DNS settings, including records like CNAME and MX, among others. Now, to back up these records, you'll want to take advantage of the import and export feature. So, look for the import and export button on this page. Once you find it, click on Export DNS Records. This will generate a file containing all your DNS settings, which you can download to your computer. Make sure you store this file in a safe location, and perhaps even consider backing it up to a secondary storage device or cloud service for extra peace of mind. Backing up your DNS records is just as straightforward. If you ever need to restore them, you can use the same import and export section. Simply choose Import DNS Records and upload the file you downloaded earlier. Confirm the changes and your DNS settings should be updated accordingly. Remember, having recent backups of your DNS records can make a huge difference in maintaining your website's stability and functionality over time. It's a simple but powerful step in ensuring your digital presence remains uninterrupted. There you have it, your DNS records are safely backed up, ready to restore whenever you need them. Keep your file handy, and you can manage your DNS with greater confidence.